Hello my friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sobhan, I'm an art teacher. And in this video I want to painting for you a little landscape with watercolor. It's very easy and very simple, and I hope you like it. But before we begin, I want to please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you can do it, please share to your friend. And the time is late, let's start it. Before I start my drawing, I want to show you my another painting. It's more history is here. I do a lot of painting with watercolor, and now this here. I use it to brush, and now I try to do it. And at the first I use only water is here, totally the paper, and now I use blue color, then a little red, it's a little color red is here, and at the end I use it yellow, and it's up to you the color, not very important. And the base color is ready, maybe a little more. Red is better and show it nice. And now I use it, the black is here, maybe a little wet, but it's okay. The black color it's there, and it's enough. And then I use it another brush. This brush is very thin, and it's very good for doing details. And another line it's here, and again like this. It's very fun, very fun and very easy. But if you can't do it like me in this size, you can painting bigger than this size. For example, the size of A5 paper or A4, depending to you and your brush. Because for this size you need a very small brush. And now the time for painting the trees. Again, one tree is here, and one tree is here. Again, need to use a black color, and then just touch it the paper, just touch. Without the pressure. Without the pressure, it's okay. Did you see? It is okay. And again, for more details, I do it. It's coming to ending. It's very, very soon coming to the end. And then you can use it for a little grass. Did you see? We have a little grass is here. And at the end, I think better than for painting, use it again black for recharge the color of here and show it better, because need to more contrast. Oops, be careful. Maybe a little more grass is there. Show it better the details. And now it's ending. It's very easy and very funny. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good time. So I hope you like this. It's very, very cool and very, very funny. And it's ending. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you for supporting me. And if you can do it, please send it for your friend and subscribe my channel. Until the next video, goodbye. See you later.